Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best freeze-dried dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Stella Chewy's freeze-dried raw dinner patties. Stella Chewy's freeze-dried raw dinner patties stand out as a top choice for dog owners looking for grain-free, raw nutrition that mirrors what their pets' ancestors thrived on. With 95% cage-free chicken, including organs and bones, this recipe delivers the protein-rich diet dogs crave and need for optimum health. The blend of organic fruits and vegetables like cranberries and broccoli adds vital antioxidants to support a healthy immune system. At the same time, omega fatty acids from natural sources promote a shiny coat and healthy skin. The convenience of these dinner patties sets them apart in providing natural, wholesome nutrition without the mess or time investment typically associated with raw food diets. Crafted in small batches in the USA using responsibly sourced ingredients, pet parents can trust in the safety and quality of each bag. Furthermore, the inclusion of probiotics supports digestive health, making it an all-encompassing nutritional choice that caters to all aspects of canine well-being. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Bixbi Rawbble freeze-dried dog food. Bixbi Rawbble freeze-dried dog food, specifically the beef recipe, stands out in our selection of top freeze-dried dog foods for several reasons. With 98% meat and organs, this product ensures your furry friend gets a diet close to what they would eat in the wild, minus any antibiotics, artificial ingredients, or fillers. It's a relief for dog owners who prioritize clean eating for their pets. The use of freeze-drying technology not only locks in essential nutrients, but also makes it pantry-friendly and as convenient to serve as traditional kibble. Perfect for busy pet parents. Choosing Bixbi Rawbble as our number 2 pick wasn't an easy decision given the competitive market, but its commitment to USA-sourced beef and manufacturing pushes it ahead. Unlike many other options that contain ambiguous protein sources or unnecessary carbs, Rawbble focuses on providing complete and balanced nutrition with limited ingredients. Customers rave about the noticeable health benefits seen in their dogs, from shinier coats to improved digestion, a testament that aligns perfectly with our strict review criteria involving first-hand supporting evidence from users. At number 3, we have the Primal freeze-dried dog food Pronto. Primal freeze-dried dog food Pronto stands out for dog owners seeking a nutritious and convenient raw diet for their furry friends. Crafted with cage-free chicken and a rich mix of USDA-certified organic fruits and vegetables, this premium dog food provides a wholesome, grain-free meal that's as close to nature as possible. It eliminates the worry about artificial flavors, colors, preservatives, or harmful synthetic vitamins that often lurk in conventional pet foods. For those concerned about their dog's optimal weight, skin, and coat health, and oral and eye well-being, Primal offers an easy-to-digest solution, ensuring maximum nutrient absorption thanks to its minimally processed ingredients. Specially designed for ease of use without compromising on quality or nutritional value, simply scoop and serve dry or rehydrate it with water for enhanced flavor and texture your dog will love. As a versatile product, it also serves excellently as a topper or treat plus, making mealtimes exciting while supporting your dog's natural instincts towards raw foods. The convenience factor, combined with high-quality protein from antibiotic steroid hormone-free chicken, makes transitioning away from kibble smoother for both pets and their owners. At number 2, we have the Instinct freeze-dried raw meals grain-free recipe. Switching to Instinct freeze-dried raw meals grain-free recipe might just be the upgrade your dog needs for better health and vitality. This product stands out because it harnesses the pure power of raw ingredients, ensuring your furry friend gets a meal that's as close to their natural diet as possible. Made with 85% real meat and organs, plus 15% non-GMO fruits, vegetables, vitamins, and minerals, This grain-free recipe is designed to support healthy digestion, lean muscles, strong bones, and a vibrant skin and coat. Unlike traditional kibble that's often heavily processed and cooked at high temperatures, which can degrade nutrient quality, Instinct's freeze-dried raw meals preserve the integrity of its nutritionally rich components. Dog owners seeking a less processed food option will appreciate how these meals are minimally processed through freeze-drying rather than cooking. This method maintains the beneficial nutrients in each bite, offering better digestion and nutrient absorption for your pet. What really sets Instinct apart is its commitment to quality, made in the USA without grain, corn, wheat, soy, legumes, artificial colors, or preservatives, ensuring you're feeding your dog a clean meal free from fillers or additives they don't need. And finally, at number 1, we have the Instinct Raw Boost Mixers, freeze-dried raw dog food topper. Instinct Raw Boost Mixers freeze-dried raw dog food topper revolutionizes the way pet owners feed their dogs by blending perfectly with their everyday kibble to ramp up its nutritional value. This grain-free product taps into the power of raw ingredients, providing a protein-packed meal that's minimally processed. Imagining your furry friend relishing in the rich taste of all-natural beef, combined with healthy fruits and vegetables, underscores how this freeze-dried formula not only satisfies their palate, but also supports digestive health and maintains a shiny coat. One standout feature is its versatility. It can serve as an exciting dry dog food topper or a reward during training sessions. The convenience of adding such high-quality raw nutrients without altering your dog's regular diet makes Instinct Raw Boost Mixers a practical choice for keeping meals interesting and nutritionally enriched. It doesn't stop there. Made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients, this product reflects dedication towards offering responsibly sourced beef organs along with non-GMO fruits and veggies. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.